Today it's all about Engligbo. Engligbo. We'll see how it goes. So
Hi
today we're here at the Igbo Language Cafe. So it's all about speaking Igbo, learning Igbo, enjoying ourselves in the atmosphere of Igbo language. That's all today is all about. So today we're talking about Engligbo. It's something that I've Engligbo. It's all very popular. I don't know how to describe it, but I think in one way to probably describe it is that Engligbo is a way of anglicizing Igbo words or Igbonizing English words, but sort of a mixture of a marriage between Igbo and English language together. It's something that's so easily done. Even people that cannot so it's like it just happens. And something I've noticed is that Engligbo doesn't just happen in Igbo language. It happens in other languages as well. I've met a friend, I was chatting with him about, because I love languages. I must say that it's not just Igbo that I'm learning to speak. I can say or make very fluent sentences, several other languages, and understand them as well. So Yoruba is one of my interests, and I was speaking with a friend of mine. Yoruba. Or when I say na ihe Engligbo, ihe Oyibo na-eme, or ihe asụsụ Bekee na-eme na asụsụ Igbo, ọ na-emekwa na asụsụ Yoruba. So ị nwere ike isi onye Yoruba ya sụọrọ gị ihe, jụọ ya ajụjụ na Yoruba, o jiri Oyibo zaghachi gị azụ. Onye na-eme na asụsụ Igbo. Ị nwere ike isi obere nwa ma isi nwanne mmadụ ma nna mmadụ isu ha, kedu afa gị, ha sị gị my name is Udo, my name is Ake, my name is Papa. Mana esokwa ya n'Igbo. You rarely see, like, you tell somebody in Igbo, what is your name? And they'd reply in Igbo as well, my name is. People will reply, but in the society we're in right now, everybody wants to just, identify with speaking English to the detriment of our speaking Igbo language. Unfortunately, we are losing Igbo language. I guess that's what Supu is all about. I mean, ihe bidoro Supu. Or uru Supu ba bona amam na masukene ana masukebe Oyibo, ana masukebe Bekee na Supu. Mana ihe nji asụrụ Bekee bụ maka ndị na-ada aghọta Igbo. Ihe ọzọ bụ na isi mụ sụba Igbo just sụrụ gaba. Ọ na-afịa arụ maka na na-ene anya na ihe onyonyo. So all I'm trying to say is that ihe nji asụrụ Bekee bụ maka ndị na-ada anụ Igbo na-abịa na Supu. Again, so that's the reason I speak English as well, because of those that do not have Igbo as their first language, or those still learning. I mean, I speak English here as well because of my children, because they come to watch, and it's just a way of getting them to understand. So I think I have digressed. I have said too much. But let's go back to it all. The reason or the topic for today is Engligbo. So Supu speaks Engligbo. Now, let us start. Just negodo. Just negodo is the number one. If even at YouTube, even at Facebook, mother try just negodo this boy. That is a classical, typical Engligbo. So I got this text from my sister. She sent it to me, knowing my interest in trying to get people to speak a lot more Igbo than just English, like family. So the text my sister sent me. I'm looking at my phone just in case people wonder what is she staring down at. It's just my phone. So the first one about because send the Adam airtime. Send the Adam airtime. Ihe mekwana bana. Or when you hear okay, airtime, can you go to airtime? I can amaro here airtime Igbo. Or airtime, Igbo airtime. So there is no Igbo translation of the word airtime. Man again send the Aram. Send the Aram. Yeah. Because the term airtime. That's how it is. Or we're send the Aram. So send an Aram. Send the Aram airtime. Send the Canaram and airtime. Because the term airtime. That's how you say it. It also help to no more joy. Yay! Ihe nke a dịkwa egwu. Help to no more joy. Help has stripped itself into the potonomo. Help to no more joy. Bikono nyelo maka joy. Nyelo maka joy. So help in Igbo is nyaka, inyaka. Nyelo maka joy. Sige help to no more joy. Ihe nke a will quite laziness. I just did it again. Oh, like laziness. Number 3, sit go down. Hey, onyeze. Sit go down. Nodu go nani. Nodu ane. Onwe ndi gasi no nodu odo. Gini bu sit go down. Ndi mmadụ na-emeka. I still call it laziness as far as I'm concerned. How would you say sit go down when you can say biko nodane? Nodane nodane is even shorter than sit go down. Before you say sit go down, somebody would have finished eating. When you say nodane, you've just said it straight to the point. Number 4, stand the good up. I knew this was coming. Stand the good up. Kurugodoto. And right now, thinking about it, I know that I don't say stand the good up. When I'm speaking to the kids at home, I just say nodane. Kuroto. Nodane. Oh gosh, you need to see me doing this at home. Nodane. Kuroto. I never say sit go down. Stand go up. But people say it. And if you say it, you do it. You try. Okay. Number 5. Shift to room. Shift to room. Shift to room. Okay. In Igbo, shift to room, you're trying to tell someone to perhaps move for you or shift for me. Even shift for me doesn't sound right in English. But what they're trying to say is move, maybe move out of the way, or move, I'd like to sit down. Can you move aside? That's where it's supposed to be. But I'd rather come and madige could be shift to room. It's one and kebe zibwe. Umieno, umielum, umielum. That's what it is. It's not shift to a room. In Igbo, if you want to say move for me or please move aside, you say biko. Or I'm always saying biko because it's polite. Biko means please. So it's just that polite thing. I guess I'm probably being super polite, but it's just nice to say that. So come here, gasiba mother shift to a room. Biko no umielum. That is what it is, not shift to a room. Number 6. A closes the shop. That's don't close the shop. Emechina shop. Ibuchi, when you say buchi means to cover. Buchi cover the pot. Mana, it tries to give mechiozo. You don't say buchiozo. Mechiozo means shut the door. So mechiozo. Emechina shop. Emechina ebanele. So not a close the shop. Do not close the shop. That's characteristic Engligbo. Gịnị bụ close la shop? Emechi na shop. Ihe ọzọ ebe anụma gịnị bụ nke akịta. Number 7 bụ ị na-edisturb mbiko. Edisturb zela mbiko. Ị na-edisturb. Ị na-edisturb. That is another one. Gịnị bụ ị na-edisturb? Ị na-enye m nsogbu mbiko. O enyezina m nsogbu. So kama mmadụ ga-asị na-edisturb m. Because I think the point is sometimes I just think it's not necessary. It's not necessary. Onwe ụdị ngini Igbo a na-asụ ige ntị si ogene gịnị bụ edisturb zilam kama ị ga-asị edisturb zilam isi wike nye na nsogbu. And it's so amarom ka ndị mmadụ si eji amụ ya forge ụmụ ha. I don't know how people make these things up. Edisturb zilam. Here. The bye. Bueno. Check him in next 5 minutes. Check him in the next check him. Want to check him in the next 5 minutes. Then I want to know. Check him in the next 5 minutes. Like check me up in the next 5 minutes. Come and find me. How would I say that in Igbo? Biachotam in the next 5 minutes. Now I don't mind saying in the next 5 minutes. But biachotam na in the next 5. Biachotam in the next 5 minutes. I think for me the bone is that check him. Maka na kama ị ga-asị check ya mo ise mo bịa chọta m echi or check ya m echi bịa chọta m echi. Don't say check ya mo in the next 5 minutes. Remove the check and say the correct thing. Bịa chọta m. Ihe ọzọ ndị mmadụ na-ekwu bụ iri ichie gị agwa m. Iruo ga gwam. Iru ebe ahụ gwam. Now, iriche, that ga gwam is more of like, it's Central Igbo but Owerri, more of the Owerri side. What I would normally say is Iruo egwam. Iru ebe ahụ gwam. When you get there, you tell me or you let me know. Nke a bụ iriche egwam. Don't reach egwam. Iruo egwam. Okay? Number 11. No, number 10. Achọrọ m enter go the bike. Achọrọ m enter go the bike. Achọrọ m ịba na bike. Achọrọ m enter go the bike. Biko, achọrọ m ịba na bike. Achọrọ m ịba bike. Achọrọ m ịba ọkada. Achọrọ m ịba bike. Ihe ọzọ, kedu ihe ị na-speak yourself? I think sometimes, listening to these things, it's really getting me cross, because why do you have to chook in these words? Mind you, I'm intentionally saying chook. I know chook is not, if you look in the dictionary, you will not find chook. I'm intentionally using the word chook. But okay, why do you have to include these words in Igbo language? It doesn't make sense. There is actually no need for it. There is no need for it. You know? In a simple, kedu nke answer, kedu asem gini? Kedu ihe na-speak of? Or kedu ihe na-speak itself? It's so, how? Kedu ihe na-ekude? That's what you'd say. Kedu ihe na-ekude? Maka na mmadụ si no maka na asụsụ Igbo, you know, it's too long. No, si orikanne. It's no maka na asụsụ Igbo erikanne nya ka ije tinyere oyibo n'ime. O kwene edi. Mana ka bụ na oyibo a na-etinye n'ime asụsụ Igbo ahụ karie nne kama asụsụ Igbo aka etinye na ya. I don't know if you get what I mean. So if you say that you're putting in the English word, or you're using an English word to substitute the Igbo counterpart, the Igbo word, because the Igbo word is too long, that's different. But if you think about it, what was that one I said now that just got me mad? Kedu ihe na-speak it of? Kedu ihe na-speak it of? Kedu ihe na-ekude? Kedu ihe na-ekude is shorter than kedu ihe na-speak it of. Mana ike agụ. Ọzọkwa bụ kedu? Ọzọ bụ aka m na-ete nke ya. Aka m na-eche maka ya. Aka m na-eche ya. Ọsị m aka m na-ete nke ya. Eziokwu m, onye sụọrọ m ihe a n'iro, ọchị m ga-achị onye anwa. Mba, mmachi onye anwa ọchị, aga m arụ onye anwa anya. Nna aga n'ụzọ isi m can think good self. Ndị ọga ka na ntị ma ihe bụ can think good self. What is can think? Ka nchegodi ya, ka mbugodo ụzọ chee ya. Gịnị bụ can think good self? Adị m busy kịta. Aga m akọọlụ gị back. Ọ nwe ihe m na-eme, aga m akpọchi gị azụ. Gịnị bụ adị m busy kịta? Aga m akọọlụ gị back. This is classical destruction of a Igbo language. Adị m busy kịta. Ihe a na-ekwu kịta nụwa. Onwe ndị echefusigo ụmụ ihe a. Onwe ndị na-echefu, onwe ndị na-abụ ha na-amụ Igbo nke ha na-amụ Engligbo, ha sị gị na Igbo ka ha na-amụ. How does that happen? It's not done. Oh great, my phone keeps going off. Number 14 says, after I discuss, again, emesia ayabaya. That's how you say it. And it sounds nicer, it sounds better, it sounds more, it sounds more pro. Onwe kige si Igbo, ndị mmadụ know ya say yes, onye na-asụ ntọgọrọ. Gịnị bụ after I discuss emesia after in Igbo? Emesia is after. Emesia ayabaya. Pro after I discuss Number 15 bụ gịnị? Give kwana up. Ebo, mo kom kesi give kwana up in Igbo. Arapokwana ya. As in, don't leave it, I guess. Give. Okay for him. If you know how to say do not give up in Igbo, the proper one, not the Engligbo version of it, please comment at the bottom. I would absolutely love to hear from you. It would be absolutely amazing if you can do that for me. The next one is take your time again. Abroad, take your time. And I think I probably said this, take your time. Abroad, take your time. So take your time. Nke ọzọ, anyị erubegokwa na ọ ga ha agụsị. Nke ọzọ bụ chere ka m paaki ya moto m. Chere ka I think with this one, it's obvious because park, to park the car. I don't know what park is in Igbo. I guess. Amarom kege sikuo park Igbo can park. If someone else knows out there, please let me know. Comments, like I said, I'm learning from you as well. So you see chere kan park ya moto. Kiki gesipo chere kan park ya moto. Like park ya nwa dia ba. Kiki gesipo pia keda Igbo. O kedo ngurokwu Igbo getinye ba wa na bro park ya. So how do you say, wait, let me park my car without using park in the sentence in Igbo? Please write it down for me and I will be learning as well and I will comment. Also, achọrọ m ịga watch match. Achọrọ m ije kiri ebe a na-agba onwe ike bụ ball. Achọrọ m ije kiri. Ama m na match there will probably be football. Enwe ike ikwu achọrọ m ịga kiri ebe a na-agba ball. Ọ bụrụ achọrọ m watch match. Set nke ọzọ bụ start ya gen. Jee gbanye gen. Anyị nwere gen n'Igbo mana start ya bụ gbanye. So gbanye generator, gbanye gen. Adịm broke enwere m ego. Ndị Igbo kwenu. So ya ka anyị na-eme. Ama m na Engligbo, etu Engligbo si bịa, Engligbo is here to stay. I know it's not going, definitely. For me, the crux is, as you are learning Igbo, it's better to learn the correct thing first. And it's the same with anything you're learning. Oburu Igbo ka ị na-amụ. Asụsụ ọbụla. Ọbụgodu na ị na-amụ ihe ọbụla a na-akụzi n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. If you're learning something at school, it's always best to learn the right way first. No, ịmụ nwoke esi eme ọfụma. It's just like driving a car. You learn to drive properly. Well, I know a lot of people pick up bad habits. If you start driving with learning the bad habits, then you are in for Amarom destruction. You see? Anyway, back to Engligbo. So, whilst learning Igbo, best to learn the correct thing first. Only mgbe Engligbo na-adaba. So there are times when, yes, you have no choice but to, there are times when certain words you don't have the Igbo substitute for certain English words, and then you use the English word instead. I guess that's where Engligbo will probably be acceptable to me, but I am not everybody else, and I know that there are so many people that will disagree with this. However, we can just talk about it, and like if you have any specific what I call examples of where you had no choice but to use the English, put the English versions, or how you use your Engligbo, I'd like you to say it. I'd like you to just say, remember that everything I've said here is more like tongue-in-cheek. It's not a rule. Some people might just choose forever to speak Engligbo and not learn the correct Igbo way to say or to speak Igbo. For me, I believe in learning things the right way first, and then you can start Igbo, like learning how to speak English language, and then you're learning broken. Broken is super if you know how to speak it well, but if you know how to speak it the English language well, then you learn how to speak broken. I don't know if that makes any sense, but just in case, that's me at Supu, just talking Engligbo. There's so many Engligbo words. I like people to comment and say example. If you have any examples or explanations, write it down in the comments box. I'd love to learn from you. Other people would love to learn from you. Something else, do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and click on the bell button to get notifications every time I post any new videos on Supu. It's been absolutely amazing coming here. I thought I'd just come to drop this because it's something that I thought of for a while, and I've always wanted to talk about Engligbo here on Supu. I may touch this again depending on the number of comments, likes, or notify or comments and likes, and the response I get from people. I may bring up new Engligbo sentences to talk about here, and would love to hear what you think as well. On that note, Obi from Supu would like to say, till next time.